What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the air in your truck if the air stops working, the heat or the cold. So let's do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Here we are at the lovely Dead Horse State Park. Wouldn't be a Truck House Life episode without fixing something on the truck camper, so let's check it out. The blower motor on the truck is not really working. It's just about to die. The blower motor is essentially what blows out hot and cold air. It's your fan, so I'm not gonna have any heat in the car if I don't fix this. So how do you know your blower motor isn't working, you ask? If you get in your truck and you go to turn on the heater air and nothing blows, then your blower motor is not working. And I'll pop my hood and I'll take a rock and smash the blower motor and then it works. So it's just about to die. So let's replace it really quick. And you're gonna need yourself a 8mm socket and just a 1/4" drive socket wrench. Makes it a little easier to get in this tight spot. And you have 4 8mm bolts to get out, and then this whole blower motor should remove, knock on wood. Looks like I'm going to have to unplug a couple of things also. We'll go ahead and start by unplugging this connection right here is the blower motor electrical connection, so go ahead and unplug that. And this is basically what powers your blower motor here. And then we also need to disconnect whatever this thing is. Don't know, but let's disconnect it. Just be careful with all your hoses here. So we got this pigtail disconnected right there. Now we got to get these 4 8mm bolts out. We have all 4 of the blower motor screws out. So get those out. The power pigtail is disconnected. So now we just have to pry it off. There's like a gasket on here that kind of holds it to. Kind of looks like this. So your new blower motor should come with a new sticky gasket. Anyway, it's gonna seem like your blower motor is not coming off, but you just have to get it started by prying it off. So if you try to grab it and pull it off, it really won't budge, but as soon as you stick a little flathead screwdriver in there and watch this, there you go. It just starts popping right off. So let's get that out of there. Oh yeah, baby. Here she is. And let's see if I can work it out of here. It's hard to hold the camera in one hand and do stuff like this. Uh-oh, hopefully this washer box is not in the way because it totally looks like it is. So it turns out you can't quite pull the blower motor out. Your little washer wiper fluid thing is in the way. So luckily it's just 2 nuts holding it on. So let's get those off. It's an 11mm socket to get your washer tank off here. Alrighty. And yeah, once you remove this washer fluid reservoir, just literally 2 11mm nuts and you can remove that reservoir out of the way. There's your blower motor, the old one. Let's put the new one in. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And we got our gasket. I just peeled the backing off of it. Let's throw that gasket on there. Got our new gasket on there. Stick it on. Honestly, the worst part was getting the freaking gasket on because it's sticky on one side, so it's trying to grab onto everything when you put it in there. But put your new fresh gasket on. Now the fan's in place. Let's get it back in. So let's do this top screw just to lock it in here. Right there. Then we'll put all 4 screws back in, plug the connection back in, reinstall this box and we'll be good. Oh yeah, buddy. We got all 4 of those 8mm bolts back in. Now let's put this windshield wiper reservoir back in right now. Once again, this is 2 11mm nuts that you're gonna put onto the windshield wiper reservoir. Make sure not to bury your harnesses when you're installing everything back in. Keep everything out of the way, accessible. All right there. We're almost in, come on, baby. Got 1, we got 2, we're in business. Go ahead and tighten that back up. Filming and wrenching. There it goes. Oh yeah, buddy. There we go. You need to plug in the electrical connection to your windshield wiper squirter. It's right here. It's kind of hard to get to. It was my fault. Should have plugged it in before. And she's in. So once again, this pigtail right here goes to your blower motor, it's your power for it. The clip is broken, there's supposed to be a clip there, so hopefully that works. Let's start the truck and see if my air works now. Moment of truth, folks. What you've all been waiting for. We have air! Yeah, boy! Cool. We got air. It's working. Well, there you have it, guys. That is how you replace the blower motor in your old body style OBS Ford truck. This also probably works for Ford Explorers and other such vehicles. Maybe it works in a ton of vehicles, but it's not too crazy. You can do it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and we'll do something again next time. Peace, y'all.